Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to Forensic Science Paper 2 June 2010 Solution. I am Dr. Anjani. This paper contains 50 objective type question. Each question carrying 2 marks. Attempt all of the question in India. Bureau of Police Research and Development was established in 1970. The book entitled Question Document has written by the following Harrison. Match the following Krogman. Forensic anthropology, stress autotoxicological analysis, Kojelka, Kojelka-Hein, blood alcohol determination, CODAD, forensic ballistic. Exhaustion, a seminal stains on cloth should be collected after drying in room temperature. Reason are it cause distinction of seminal stains. Both A is true and R is false. Beers and Lambert lies the basic principle in spectrophotometry. The gas carrier phase used in A and D, HPLC and GLC. Image of body organ can be obtained by which of the following instrument NMR. Match the instrument with the material analyze GLC alcohol electron microscope hair electrophoresis blood comparison microscope bullet. FID detector in GLC is most suitable for the detection of gasoline. Arson exhaustion, a presence of vaginal epithelial cells on the main genitalia is conclusive of sexual intercourse. These cells can be detected by Lugol iodine test. Both A and R are true. Arrange the cells in the ascending order as per their size, platelets, RBC, WBC. Which of the following is most following information cannot be determined obtained by examination of blood stain. Cause of death, exhaustion A. Endosulfan is a organophorous compound. Region R it is derived from ester of esters of both A and R are false. Greenish colored urine is seen in which of the following poisoning? Carbolic acid. Match the following range test arsenic alkaline beam test has Betalis test Dhatura, Mercury test morphine. Absorption a breath analysis works by a type of chemical reaction called oxidation reduction. The breath changes to greenish colors depends upon the quality of alcohol in breath. A is true but R is false. Exhaustion A. Ricochet bullet. Ricochet bullet cause a keyhole entry. A bullet tumbles after hitting an intermediate object. R is true but A is false. The feature of an entry wound caused by a revolver from a distance of 6 feet. First and second are correct. Abrasion collar present. Singeing of hair present. Which of Which of the following is not a firearm? Air gun. Which of the following chemical is not a primer? Lead stipend. The following articles are commonly preserved in rape investigation except footprint. Which of the following statement is false? Medullary index of human hair is 0.3 or more. Match the test with body fluids. P30 semen, urea nitrate crystal test urine, starch iodine test saliva, and Teachman test blood. Absorption A2 determine ABO blood group for semen, saliva is required. Because secretor status need to confirm A is false but R is true. Exhaustion, a success of tool mark comparison depends upon the correct reproduction of test mark. The test mark vary with the changes in tool angle and pressure. A is false but R is true. Match the following: glass quite brittle and easily broken. Soil complex mixture of diverse practical. Plant in a chimp form. Tool mark paint in a chip form. Tool mark two surfaces comes in contact with force. Absorption, a third molar is present in the denture region. Or age of person is age of the person of indicative of above 18 year. A is false but R is true. Mohs scale developed by German mineralogist Friedrich Mohn in 1822 can be used in the analysis of glass for measuring hardness. Anisotropic materials have two or three principal reflective index. Edmond Locard poroscopy, Galton fingerprint, Alphonse Baternian anthropometry, Suzuki lip print. The legal age of marriage of a female in India is 18 years. Which of the following bone assist in determination of stature? Tibia. Shovel-shaped incisor teeth is seen amongst Chinese. The ossification center that appears in a fetus at 7 months of pregnancy is talus, which bone help to determine accurately in sex in fetus sacrum. Rugoscopy is a study of palatal prints. Absorption, a battery lens processing a number of concentric circles, is a basic tool for single fingerprint classification. Region are fingerprint is examined on the basis of location of core and delta in these circles. Both A and R are true. Proportional spacing typewriter's characteristic feature is it gives equal space to all the character. Which of the following printing technique is mainly used to print currency note? Intaglio printing. Demographics is a study of friction ridge. arrange the changes that appear in a cadaver in a sequential order: cooling, rigor, marbling, mummification. Globe and stalking pattern of lividity is associated in death caused by drowning. Hyoid bone fracture is commonly associated with manual strangulation. In forensic entomology, the sequence of events in the life cycle of an insect is egg, meiosis, pupae, nymph. If a person interprets a rope to be a snake, he is suffering from delusion. Question 46 to 50, based on the following paragraph. A charred dead body of a young female in a pugnacistic attitude was recovered from a burning house. The airway shows black practicals. Airways saw black particles and blood was found cherry red in color. Genital examination revealed contusion and white sticky material. Pugilistic attitude is suggestive of heat stiffening. The presence of black particle in the airway is suggestive of inhalation of smoke. The smear of the sticky material show tadpole like object which is suggestive of sperm. The cherry red discoloration of blood is due to carboxyhemoglobin. The accurate identification in this body can be established with the help of DNA profiling from bone. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe.